Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector. Today I want to share you some of our products. You can look at this one. Okay, please follow me. Let's check it. This is our VCI anti-rust bags. On this part, it's a label. This is the Shumatt logos. If you want the other logos, you can contact us, and we can supply the customized services like the logo, label, and the packaging bag, and so on. This is the product code F00RJ01329, and the application model number 0445110168, 0445110169, 0445110284, 0451101315. QR code, other informations. Let's open it. The inside part, two forms of the packages. This one. This is the whole side. Also, we sell the separate part. This is a valve cap, the coating, and also with curved letters. The valve roll, and we have different size, different lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all the details about product. Okay, and here 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Yes, the third tips, clean it with oil. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Talk about the warranty. We have a 6-month warranties. During this time, if you're not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. Okay. So much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.